So this is how your Prezi dashboard, or you can say your Prezi homepage, looks like. I have already signed into Prezi using my school email ID. Now to start creating a presentation, you need to click on this big plus sign and then select the presentation option. After that, a new page will open, or a new tab will open on your screen, and they will ask you to choose a template from here. So to choose a template, you can scroll down and select any one of the templates. Suppose I take this one, then I'll see how this template looks like, what are the different things. So this is the parent template. When you go further, it will show you topic and subtopic. When you move further, it will take you into the subtopic. Then we come back to the parent. Then we go to topic number 2 and then subtopic number 2. If you have a picture, they will show you that also. So it works like a layer. Then topic number 3, subtopic 3. Now there is no another layer over here. So we come back to the parent. Then there is topic number 4 and there is no subtopic. Correct? So you have seen the layout of this presentation. If you want, you can choose this template. So to choose this template, you can click on use this template. Now before using, you have to write some names. So suppose I am creating this presentation on the topic cyber safety. So I will select cyber safety and I will click on anyone on the web and then click on continue. So this is how you select your template on Prezi. Once your template is loaded, you can start working on it.